Well, hello, good Friday afternoon, everyone, or morning, I guess it still is. It's Friday. It's I think the 17th of November. Just wanted to talk to you, touch base today about some weather that may be impacting the area later on today into tomorrow. We've got some rain. We got the possibility of some thunderstorms, and we've got the possibility of some light snow tomorrow afternoon. That may impact the area. So why don't we dive into some models? We could take a look at that. Won't go too long, but just kind of want to give you guys an overall synopsis of what may happen over the next couple, I guess 24 to 36 hours or so. So I'll do a little bit of a screen share here. If I can figure out how to do it. Again, I'm always leery on how to do this kind of stuff, but let's take a look at it. All right, here we are. I guess we're screen sharing, right? Okay, so let's take a look at some modeling here. First, I always like to look at the North America 3-kilometer model. This is the 12Z model, so not too outdated here. But let's just take a look and see what we can expect later today. So this is valid at 12Z, and as we move across the day, look at forming here. This is at 23Z, which we can say is about 5 o'clock this afternoon, right in the middle of rush hour. Look what we see here. Thunderstorm, a line of some pretty heavy rain, maybe some embedded thunderstorms. You could see the DBZ level as I'm clicking on it. The higher the DBZ is basically a picture of reflectivity from the radar. So, what are we looking at here? About 40 dBz. That's potential thunderstorms, all pretty much from the Cheddar Curtain up north all the way down through, southeastern Illinois. So the chance of thunderstorms I'd say from about 5 o'clock in the evening until probably around 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. And then more of the scattered variety of showers. That will last probably until about 2, 3 in the morning when that initial storm moves out. And then we got another area of rain coming through starting tomorrow morning, probably 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, and that should last through about about 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and then that should all be through. So that's what the radar reflectivity looks like. Let's look at precipitation type, right? Shall we? So this will give you an overview of what are we looking at? Green is rain, pink is a mixture. If you see blue, that's more of a snow event. So starting tonight, looks like all rain. Right, and as we move through, you got up north in northern Wisconsin, you got some snow. That's tomorrow morning. And then what do you see here? Starting probably about tomorrow morning, maybe around 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, we got some snow that should start overspreading the area from central Wisconsin all the way down to western Illinois, and that kind of moves east. And this is about noon tomorrow. You could see over northeastern Illinois some mixed precipitation or some snow. Not a whole lot of snow that we're looking at. How much are we talking about snow-wise? Well, let's take a look. This is through tomorrow. As you can see, most of the snow is going to be over northwest Illinois. This model is showing 2.5 inches of snow over portions of like Carroll County, over northwestern Illinois, over Rockford, maybe an inch or a little bit more than that. And then as you move further east towards maybe Kane, McHenry County, 3/4 of an inch, and over the city, 3/10 of an inch. Not a whole lot of snow in this area, but further northwest, yeah, you can see they're saying maybe 2.5 inches of snow. I doubt we'll see that much. Might be more of a mix, but that's what this model is showing. How much precipitation overall? Overall, 1/2 inch maybe. Showing maybe 7/10 of an inch down in southern Cook County, maybe it's in the Will County, that area. But the heaviest stuff will definitely be down over southern Illinois and into Indiana and Ohio area. But, not too much. Again, this is one model that we're looking at here, the North American model. If we look at that's the 3-kilometer model. If we look at the global model, the GFS, bear with me here. Let's see what they're saying. So rain starting, same kind of time frame, about 7 o'clock tonight, and then change over to snow. This is showing a little bit later change over to snow, about 7 o'clock tomorrow night or so, or 6 o'clock, an area there. How much are we talking snow-wise? An inch and a half of snow. Not a whole lot. Oh, well, this is showing more snow for like southern Cook County, maybe an inch and a half. So it's a little bit more bullish on the totals. And the total precipitation amount is showing definitely more rain than the other model, the North America model, an inch, a little over an inch almost in all locations. A total precipitation, rain and snow. So bottom line is what we're looking at here is rain changing over to snow. Oops, hang on, I'm trying to figure out how to get back into. Here we go. Come back to me. How do we get back to me now? Sorry, there we go. Trying to figure out how to use this thing. So, what are we looking at? Tonight, probably about 5 or 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Rain, some thunderstorms, maybe around 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. This rain will last through probably 10 o'clock tonight. There'll be a little bit of a break, possibly. And then more rain tomorrow, changing over to snow sometime tomorrow afternoon. Snow totals, in my opinion, I think it's the pavement is too warm for anything to stick. Grassy surfaces may see some more snow than other locations, but if we get a half an inch, I think that's probably mostly what we'll see. Rain clears out. It's going to turn cold Sunday, as we got this air coming in from the northwest. And that's going to be the theme for the next week or so of cold. Thanksgiving looks to be dry around here, at least right now. There's still some model inconsistency, but at least here we shouldn't see too much in terms of adverse weather. Heading east, maybe a little bit of a different story. But that's the weather for now. I'll keep you posted as the day progresses. And that's it. Hope everyone has a great Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Be careful tonight driving. It's going to be wet, and I'm sure there'll be lots of traffic. Have a great afternoon, everyone. Bye.